Do you want to know how you can log in to your Credit One bank account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One to Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Credit One bank account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and then go to Google. In the Google search bar, search for Credit One login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Credit One Bank. Wait for a while and a login portal will appear in front of your screen. If the login portal doesn't appear, Credit One Bank account's official page will open up and you can head to the login portal. As you can see, it directly opened the login portal. Now you can write down the username and your password. After writing your username and password associated with Credit One Bank, click Sign In. Then you can successfully log in or sign in to your Credit One Bank account. If you want your browser to remember yourself, go ahead and click on this box and it will remember so that you can sign in faster the next time. If you have forgotten your username and password, these are the two links you want to go through to retrieve back your username or recover your password again. If you don't have an account and you are a new user, click Set-up Online Account Access and you can create a Credit One bank account for yourself. I hope this video about how you can log into your Credit One bank account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.